Hey guys, welcome to a new office in Lavington where we relocated from town, and I want to give you a short tour for you guys to see what we have in store for you. So this is the reception area that we're from. Then when you come in, you get into the classroom, the boardroom and everything else. So over here we have a beautiful art picture, a 3D printed design that we did. Okay, so that's where we have that when you come in. Then the first room over here you have, that's the boardroom. Okay. Just mostly used for meetings. Okay. Then over here you can see Ken is over here working with Daniel to put the TV up and running for the students, and this is where the students will be taught. This is where everything goes down. So if you're coming to do our courses, this is where you'll be seated. This is where you learn everything you need to know about the Forex market. And if you follow me, over here, it's the working area for the team. So this is where everyone works. You can see this is Mitch here working well, and this is Nick. Then we have maybe just different cabinets for everyone to put their things there. Then last but not least, we have the kitchen room. If you want a short drink, if you want some tea, this is where everything is served. If you want something chilled, we have the fridge for you. And last, we have the executive office, okay, still being worked on. So that's what we have, and welcome to our offices. Come and visit us here at Lavington, Chandarana building, 4th floor. So see you soon.